Alright, buckle up, buttercups, because today we're diving headfirst into the guts of a seized engine. Ever wondered what happens when things go horribly wrong? Under the hood? Well, prepare yourself, because it's not pretty. This is a warning, this is what a seized engine looks like inside. Get ready, because what you're about to see is not for the faint of heart. It's the kind of mechanical mayhem that can make even the toughest gearheads wince. First off, let's get one thing straight: a seized engine is a dead engine. Kaput, finished, toast. It's an engine that has, for whatever reason, decided it's done working. Think of it like a zombie apocalypse for your car, the heart. Your engine has stopped beating, and it's game over. Now, there are a few usual suspects when it comes to engine seizures. Lack of oil is public enemy number one. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, lubricating all those moving parts and keeping them from grinding against each other like angry teenagers at a concert. It's basically the engine's best friend and protector. If you run low on oil, or worse, if you let it completely run dry, things will heat up fast. Metal on metal, folks. Not a good combo. Imagine a blender running without any liquid. That's your engine, but with way more force and heat involved. Then there's overheating. Your engine runs at high temperatures, but it's designed to handle it. However, if your cooling system fails, a leaky radiator, a busted water pump, a stuck thermostat, your engine can quickly go from toasty to meltdown. Remember, extreme heat warps metal, and that's a one-way ticket to Seizure City. It's like baking a cake in a furnace. Eventually, everything will crumble. And nobody wants a crumbled engine, do they? Now, let's imagine the aftermath. You pop the hood, and what do you see? Well, you might not see much at first. But trust me, inside is where the real party is happening. The engine's interior becomes a horrifying landscape of destruction. Imagine your engine is now a metal graveyard. Pistons are fused to the cylinder walls. The crankshaft is locked up tighter than Fort Knox. And the connecting rods might have decided to take a permanent vacation outside the engine block. Pieces of metal are scattered everywhere, a testament to the catastrophic failure within. It's all a glorious mess. It's the kind of mess that makes you want to cry, especially when you realize the bill. What does this mean for you? Well, it means a repair bill. That'll make your eyes water, or a new engine. Either way, it's not going to be cheap. We're talking thousands of dollars. Regular maintenance is your best friend. Check your oil levels regularly. Make sure your cooling system is in tip-top shape. Don't ignore those warning lights. They're like little alarms screaming for attention. If something feels or sounds off, get it checked out ASAP. Delaying can turn a small problem into a colossal headache and expense. Trust me, it's much cheaper to fix a small problem now than to deal with a seized engine later. Think of it as preventative medicine for your car. So, keep your engine happy, and it'll keep you rolling down the road. Keep that engine purring smoothly, and you'll avoid the dreaded death rattle of a seized engine. And hey, maybe we'll see you in the next video. We'll explore more of these mechanical disasters and keep your car knowledge up to date.